Morning, everybody. Today I'm birding at Sweetwater Wetlands Park in Gainesville, Florida, and it is a beautiful morning with lots of bird activity, and I'm excited to see what I can find today. I already have about 20-30 species or so, and I've been here for all of 15 minutes, so I'm really excited to see what else I can find and get some cool pictures and videos. Red-shouldered hawk. Big old flock of red-winged blackbirds. It's a beautiful little prairie warbler. Blue-gray gnatcatcher. Red-bellied woodpecker. Here's a nice little male-female pair of blue-winged teal. The male on the left, the female on the right. Alright, we're out on the main trails now, and the activity's still pretty good. It's probably mid-morning by now, like 9:30 or so. My species list is going way up, and I'm trying to get as many videos as I can. Got a resting black-crowned night heron. Down to the right, great egret. And a little further to the right, little blue heron. Got a little orange-crowned warbler. Got a Cooper's hawk up here in this big tree. You can make out the dark cap, a little bit larger size and white undertail coverts, which distinguish this bird from the similar sharp-shinned hawk. Alright, so right back there we have, you can see them here, it's a pair of bufflehead. Just behind them, on the edge of the vegetation, is a common goldeneye. Alright, so here's the bufflehead pair, and that's a female or immature type. You see the little white ear patch, and the other bird is likewise. On an adult male, the white patch would be much larger and contrast with the rest of the head more. There's the goldeneye. It has a very distinct head shape, bright yellow eyes, sloping bill, and just like that, she's gone. Here's a beautiful snail kite. This is the northernmost range for snail kites in the US. Here's a very handsome male bow-tailed grackle. Here's an American coot. A trip to Sweetwater really wouldn't be a trip to Sweetwater without an alligator, would it? Beautiful sandhill crane. We got more. Sick. So I just found some male buffleheads to show you guys. So as soon as they come up out of the water, you can get a look at them. There they are. It's a beautiful wood stork. Here's a beautiful adult male common yellowthroat. Right across from the yellowthroat, out popped a little swamp sparrow. I've seen and heard a lot of these guys today, but they can be pretty difficult to get footage of. They like to stay in the brush and the swamp, as the name suggests. Very pretty bird. Alright everybody, I'm heading back to the car now. That was a pretty successful birding trip, I'd say. Saw some really cool species and got some great up-close encounters. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.